Your skin is the cover of your body that can be seen easily. You need to constantly clean it. You must use a different cleanser for your body and face. It makes us have a question, why we have to use different cleansers. Finally, we found that soap and cleansers give the different efficiency for your skin, body and face. Soap, made from fast oils and alkalis, pH 8 to 10, clean your skin clearly, make your skin dry. Cleanser, made from surfactants, humectants, and emollients, clean your skin clearly without damaging, make your skin soft. Finally, we found that soap is suitable for your body and cleanser is suitable for your face.